Hi everyone! The imaginative and heartwarming video you're watching about the little match girl is 100% AI-generated, not by professional animators. It only took us a few minutes. There were no limitations, no complex software or editing skills were required. Just a description. Sounds incredible. Well, that's what exactly I'm going to show you today. Welcome to the OneStory channel. If you're looking for an AI tool to save you time and create high-quality content, you've come to the right place. Before we begin, please subscribe and be sure to watch the entire video, because if you skip even a small detail, you won't unlock the full potential of this tool. Have you ever been in this situation? You want to create a story-driven video, whether it's an animated or realistic scene, but you don't know where to start. Or you don't know how to describe the storyboard to make the video flow smoothly. That's why I'm sharing this video. OneStory lets you say goodbye to lengthy drawings and complex editing. And forget about those old tools that only produce fragmented images. It brings a revolution to story creation. Let's demonstrate the entire production process of this video. First, open the website's homepage. The very clean page allows for a quick start. There's a text input dialog box in the middle, and a large language model can also help process scripts. You can directly upload your scripts there. In fact, if you don't have a pre-prepared script, you can input your own ideas first. Then it will generate a very detailed script based on the brief description of your story. You can choose the script's length. In this demonstration, we'll choose a 3 to 5 minute one. It's very easy to use without any complicated steps. On the right side of the text description, you can choose to upload a narration file, which will also generate a script. This part is very simple. Just click Next. This module generates detailed scripts for us. You can see that every shot is described in detail. If there are no problems, click Next. Here, we'll choose the desired video style. We need to select the aspect ratio and visual style. We've also provided plenty of lore options. These styles are recent, refined versions, so feel free to use them. After selecting, check the consistency checkbox and click Next. Okay, this interface generates all the characters for our current story. Our story is relatively simple, with only 2 characters. The plus sign option above these 2 characters allows us to add additional characters, as well as pre-trained characters. Additionally, if we are not satisfied with the currently generated character's appearance, we can see all the characters' information and names displayed on the right side of the page. We can edit the text here and click the button below to regenerate the character. After all the characters are generated, click Next again. It will then generate images for all the storyboards. Here you can see that all the storyboards have been generated, and the characters in all the images are exactly the same. There will be no inconsistencies. The image quality is perfectly fine, but I feel like the matches aren't in the box. That's where the Around the Image function comes in handy to edit the image. The first button is for improving image clarity, and the second is a button for localized editing. This is the one we'll be using now. Just click to enter. Okay, now we'll move on to the partial redrawing feature. We just want the match in the little girl's hand to have a matchbox. Simply click the brush icon at the top of the page and evenly paint over the match in the little girl's hand, the part we want to change. Then enter text in the description box below and click OK. Okay, after making the changes, return to our storyboard page. From left to right, you'll see the shot number, image, and video. This module will appear after the images are adjusted and the video is generated. On the right side are the image descriptions. You can also regenerate the images by changing these descriptions. Then there's the narration, the characters in the current shot which can be added or removed here, and the shot type which shows whether the current shot is a long shot, close up, or medium shot, as well as the camera angle and shot type. Additionally, you can regenerate a new image by changing these settings. Now, after a final check, all image materials are confirmed to be in good condition. Click Next in the pop-up window. Select the model to use for video generation. OneStory provides 3 video generation models for our use. You can choose according to your needs. Here, I've selected the basic video generation model. After selecting, click OK. After waiting a while, we see that all the storyboard video footage has been generated. Let's click on one at random to see how the basic model looks. It's pretty good. If we feel that the generated video doesn't meet our expectations, we can click the video option in the lower right corner of the video. This is the video generation interface for videos that don't meet expectations. We can usually improve them by changing the generated video model and modifying the video description prompts. Once all the video footage is satisfactory, you can click Next to proceed with the compositing. Reaching this screen means our video is 90% complete. Here we can perform some simple editing operations. As you can see, this video doesn't require manual subtitles. Even the audio is already pre-recorded. If you've already carefully checked the previous images and videos, you generally don't need to make any changes here. Just export it. Alright, that's the complete production process. From a simple story idea to a full picture book animation with cinematic storyboarding, OneStory allows you to bypass all the complex intermediate steps. If you are a storyteller, an educator, or anyone who wants to turn their written imagination into visual media, now is the time to upgrade your tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.